In the vast stillness of space, a blink is all it takes for everything to change. A star, millions of years in the making, can vanish in a moment, swallowed whole by a black hole, gone without a trace. A satellite, gently orbiting Earth, can be destroyed by a piece of space debris, no bigger than a bolt. The collision? Faster than a bullet. A sudden burst of metal and silence. A meteor, small, unseen, strikes the moon's surface. No warning, no sound, just a new crater, forever etched in dust. A solar flare erupts, hurling energy toward Earth. In just minutes, it can disrupt satellites, GPS, even entire power grids. A quiet storm from 93 million miles away. A gamma ray burst, the most powerful explosion since the Big Bang, lasts mere seconds. But it can destroy planets, blind telescopes, rewrite skies. In the blink of an eye, worlds can die, and new ones can be born. Time and space is not what it seems. Out there, every second matters. In the blink of an eye, what can happen in space? Subscribe for more journeys beyond the stars.